Hi, Darlene here from Darlene's Garden. I just wanted to show you what I've been up to today. This is how many raspberries I picked off of our raspberry row this week. Part of them on, what day did I pick them? A couple days ago, and then the rest of them about twice as many as the first time I got about half of this full, and I had eaten part of them already. So I refilled this, and then all of these just this afternoon. Waited until the shade hit the berry row because it's only 95 degrees outside. Whew. Then I had to go into Walmart to look for something else that probably only was available at Walmart, and I saw this echinacea plant and I had to have it. It's pretty good sized, and I know right where I'm going to plant it, but I'm not going to do it while it's this hot. It's going to sit here on my table for a while. My petunias are still looking okay. This leaf is kind of curled, but this one looks pretty good. My mulberry. Basil. There. More and more tomatoes coming on in my garden. I'm not going to walk out there and show you. It's in the sun. There's no way I'm going out there. And I got grass coming up galore. We've had, I think it rained a little bit in the middle of the night the other night, and then just between that and watering them, it's like that grass just comes back up. Well, that's about it. There wasn't a whole lot to show you, but it was significant, even though it wasn't very much. So I hope you had a good day. I hope you're enjoying, if your weather's hot like ours, I hope you're enjoying it. I'm staying inside where it's air conditioned here for the most part, because I went out like twice and got hot, and then coming back in, sitting, ate some potato salad and the last of the strawberries that I had in the refrigerator, and some cherries for dinner, and gonna rest the rest of the evening. I had to go into town today to do some errands, so that's always a wee bit tiring. And of course, have to wear our masks when we're in town. Well, yeah, any place any place indoors and any place outdoors where there are people around. So I was able to take my mask off as soon as I went out of the building, as long as there was nobody right around where I was. So that was good, because it's kind of a little bit hot to be wearing a mask when you're not inside of an air-conditioned building. Anyway, that's what I was up to today. Oh yeah, and you'll probably comment, I still have my Christmas wreath up. Yeah, you know when I'll take it down? Same time I took last year's down. It was when we bought the new one in December to put up the new one. So it stays up all year unless it starts losing all of its needles. Well, I know I enjoy watching your videos. I hope you enjoy watching mine. If you do, make sure you hit the like button. And subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate everything. And may the good Lord richly bless you. And I will see you on the next video. Oh, look at my hands. I need to wash them after picking raspberries. May the good Lord richly bless you. And I will see you on the next video.